These guys over there sandbagging D class. There we go. Be careful, bud. Yeah. You see, motocross at all different levels. Not everybody's a high flyer, sending whips, doing all that crazy stuff. Ooh. Love it. That's a sweet bike too. Yeah, the 85s are, yeah.
I want to get an idea of what we got up here.
Right. Oh my goodness. Need to be careful. I'm gonna loop out going over that. Yeah, get it! Hey! Woo, he just freaking did it! Beginners going for schoolboy. You should not be throwing whips in D class, brah. Oh, ooh, that almost got nasty up there.